What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to set up automatic login in Windows 10. This also work on Windows 7 or Windows 8. So the first thing that you want to do is pull up the Run dialog. I do that by pressing the Windows key and the R key at the same time. You'll type in NETPLWIZ and you would just click on OK or press enter. The checkbox here that says users must enter a username and password to use this computer, we're just going to uncheck that. We'll click on OK. It's going to ask for a username and a password to automatically log into the computer. In this case, my username is already in there, and I'm just going to input my password to enable automatic logon. And when we restart our computer, and as you can see, I automatically was logged into Windows 10. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.